I'm Toby Hill. I'm a food and beverage director for Kew Green Hotels, and we're essentially a management company with 55 hotels in this country, and the majority of which are IHG brands. So we have Voco, Holiday Inn Express, Holiday Inn, Crown Plaza, and then we also have some Mercure, Best Westerns and Marriott's. So that's essentially what Kew Green's about, and from an F&B perspective, I'm accountable for anything to do with F&B operations across our portfolio of hotels. We had quite a diverse supplier base with our hot beverages, and it came apparent very, very early on that what we needed to do is find the right supplier to give us the right product, both from a quality and a commercial perspective. So to give you a bit more detail, we had 8 coffee suppliers across our range of hotels. And so what we did is we went out to market. I'd luckily worked with Liquidline in my previous job for about 4 or 5 years, and it was a bit of a no-brainer really for them to be involved in the tender because of how well they'd worked with me in my previous role. So essentially we were looking for a key partner to create a long-term partnership with across our whole coffee portfolio. From a machine perspective, it was the whole package. It wasn't just looking at a product or looking at the machine. Again, as I've already mentioned, it was so convoluted how we were working. We were looking for a machine that could essentially give a consistent product across buffet arenas, barista bars, in our lobby areas, and for conferencing. And we needed a partner that would actually give us that entirety and the support and the people relationship that we needed to secure that long-term partnership. I mean, the lady we worked with, Darcy, was absolutely amazing. Between her and one of my guys, Scott, they managed the whole project. They found the right machine for the right skill set within each brand, which was super important, because some brands we have low labour and low skill, and some brands we had high labour and high skills. So what we needed to do was match a product portfolio, an equipment portfolio across each of those brands, which they did amazingly. We were looking for a partner that could give us both a solid machine and service contract, that's super important, which we'd never had before. But of course, we're looking at the guest experience here, and the bean itself was super important. Now, considering that we've got one of the largest high street brands within our hotels at the moment, to find a bean that was better quality than that was super important. And they did it. It was as simple as that. The variety of bean that was available to us, both caffeinated and decaffeinated, along with the chocolates and the milk powders and so on and so forth. We found something that really suited us. It's going to elevate our guest experience and the quality of the serve that we give, and it's just been an amazingly comfortable journey. And I got to say that I was looking for somewhere where I had a people relationship as well. Previously it's been very transactional, but we've definitely partnered with the right people.